everyone and welcome back to Let's Get Craftin'. Do subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss an update. So today we are going to prepare this beautiful photo frame. I'm using the classic photo frame oval shape base. It is 7 by 6 inches and it has 4 pieces inside. So let's open it up. Firstly, we'll start painting the base. So we are going to keep the ring or the middle ring aside and paint the other 3 parts. Using a flat brush and a black chalk paint, we will start painting it. Now, the top part of your base, you just have to paint it the front side, and the last, that is the bottom part, we'll paint both the sides. To save some time, I've already kept a painted base ready. So now it's time to stick the middle ring. Here I'm using a Fevibond to stick the base. You can also use a Fevicol or any glue adhesive. While sticking, make sure that you align your base properly. Now we'll stick the top part. And align it. So this is how our basic frame is ready. Now what we are going to do is we will simply do foiling on this. For foiling, I'm using a 4x8 stencil. This is the floral flower stencil which we'll be using. Now we'll just adjust and see which design we want. Once we fix the design, we will take a stencil brush and a sticky glue. Take a rough paper so that you can remove the extra glue on it, like this. And now using the dabbing method, you can just dab it over the stencil. Make sure your stencil doesn't move. If you want, you can also add a masking tape on the stencil to fix it up. Can you see the glued portion? Now make sure you wash your stencil as soon as possible, and you can also wash your brush while rubbing it on a rough cloth. Now it's time to take the copper foil sheets. So this is the beautiful packaging that we give in, so that you can easily remove these sheets and put it back without spoiling your hands. Now place the pieces of sheets on the glued area. We'll close back our foiling sheets and now take a dry brush and just dab it all over and brush the excess off. Can you see how beautiful the stenciling has come? Make sure you take a very little glue, then only you will get proper stencil with the foil area. Yes, this goes a little messy, but it's okay. The outcome is very beautiful. You can just pick up the small bits of the foil and use it later. Put it in a small container. Now what I'm going to do is, I will take again the flat brush and some sticky glue on it. And at the edges, randomly I'll just apply glue. I'm not covering the entire area. Just in breaks or at some parts, I'm just applying the sticky glue. And the leftover foil, I'll just spread it like that with my finger itself. I'm not using a brush over here. With the finger, I'll just spread it. We'll take some more foil and apply it on the glued area. See, once this is done, just to clear the excess off, you can brush it off. So this is how the frame is ready. I'll just take a dryer and just blow dry all the excess paper on my table. if you notice now, at the back side also there will be some particles which will be stick. So using a wet wipe, I'll just clean all the foil particles from the back side of my frame. I'll dry it. This area I'll just paint it again because I can see some marks over there. Now our frame is ready. I'll just attach the photo inside. So isn't it looking beautiful, girls? I just loved it. Do try your photo frames using Let's Get Crafted materials. Thank you for watching.